everyone, so today we're at the Serpentine Fen Loop Walk and should be a lot of fun. It's not super warm out today. I'm excited. Let's get going. Following the walk. I think people probably fish here. Anyway, let's get going. Really pretty out here. This is a path that would be really good for jogging or bicycling. This water is just so pretty. I've seen 2 or 3 people fishing, so people definitely come here to fish. There is a little lookout. Come on, let's go see. That's kind of cool, eh? Huh. Super cool lookout. There's a big crane sitting right in the dike right there. Ooh. So we've seen 2 cranes already, which is pretty cool. They are so beautiful. Tall, long legs. Let's see, maybe we'll see some other wildlife. Looks like there's another lookout coming up here. This must be to see the birds. It says it's a wildlife sanctuary for birds. I can hear like a million little teeny tiny birdies. I don't know where they're coming from. I figured out where the 1,001 little birds are. They're up on the power lines. Oh, it says here that over 175 bird species use the Serpentine Wildlife Management Area throughout the year. This is all pretty neat here. I'm not even a super huge bird person, but this is awesome. So there's another lookout through here. Oh, these lookouts are so cool. Oh, blackberries. From the lookout, you come through here onto a different path. It's pretty cool on here. That is cool. So the one nice thing about this walk, super relaxing. We've only seen maybe 2 people out here. Very quiet trail if you want a 5 or 6K walk. Big huge fields everywhere. Very pretty. Very relaxing. If you enjoy birds, this is the place to come. There's tons of lookouts. Anyway, thanks for watching my video and I hope you watch my next one. Caw-caw, caw-caw.